So I'm gonna react to BTOB's new music video. Let's start it. I haven't heard much about it. I was a big fan of BTOB when not their last song he came out with, but I've been keeping my eye on them. So let's see how they impress me this time. Nice views. Ooh, I like. Why a bunch of rings? Oh, isn't it beep beep? Oh wait. Oh, you are so fine. Oh. Oh, she's so cute. I like. Oh, so cute. He's honking the horn. He's not even going anywhere. Oh, I love his voice. What? He started dancing out of nowhere. This is unnecessary for a lot of girls. Out of nowhere, just come all hot in suits. Whoa. Looking perfect. And then oh. They change so fast. I wonder why so many girls. I don't get the story. All I know is like it's beep beep. So like cars, the rims. Girls unnecessary. I can't take you. Oh, can't handle you. Oh, he is fire. Oh my gosh. How cute. Have a BTOB race. Wow. Too busy dancing and you got a ticket. It happens. BTOB back again. I was a fan of BTOB when they came out with Wow. So this is completely different from that. I really love that song, Wow. I still listen to it. But this song, it's so interesting. I mean, it didn't catch me like the whole honking thing. It didn't catch me like the beat did. It was alright. I think I liked most was the rapping. Oh, rappers are so hot. the vocals, I mean, I didn't really pay much attention to. I was focused on all the cars and all the stuff. I think there was a lot happening in this music video, and I still don't get the concept. I still don't get the story. I know it has something to do with a car and a horn, beep beep, or something like that. So yeah, that's it for now. Tell me what you thought about the music video too, because I'm kind of a little confused. If you can tell me, then, you know, I would like to know. So yeah, bye for now. Share, comment, and subscribe for more. Okay, bye.